Join me as I dive into the world of GMP inspections and tackle the challenge of breaking down everything you absolutely need to know in the pharma industry. In this video, you'll learn about good manufacturing practices, or GMP, and why they are crucial for ensuring drug safety and efficacy in the pharmaceutical sector. Many companies struggle with compliance during GMP inspections, leading to significant financial and reputational consequences. The pharma industry is heavily regulated, and non-compliance can have devastating effects on your business. In some cases, it can even lead to product recalls, fines, or even plant closures. The financial losses can be substantial, not to mention the damage to your company's reputation. Furthermore, non-compliance can also lead to a loss of public trust, which can be difficult to regain. This is why understanding GMP regulations and maintaining compliance is essential for pharmaceutical companies. In fact, compliance should be at the forefront of every pharma company's priorities. The consequences of non-compliance can be long-lasting and far-reaching. It's not just about avoiding fines and penalties, it's about ensuring the safety and efficacy of the products you're putting out into the market. Pharmaceutical companies have a responsibility to patients and consumers to provide high-quality products that meet strict standards. Failure to do so can have serious consequences for public health. That's why GMP compliance is not just a regulatory requirement, but a moral obligation. Understanding the importance of GMP compliance is crucial, but many companies still struggle to navigate the complex regulatory landscape. This is where GMP inspections come in. Inspections are a critical component of the compliance process, and companies must be prepared to face them head-on. We'll discuss the key components of GMP, the inspection process, and common pitfalls that companies face during audits. GMP inspections are a thorough examination of a company's facilities, processes, and systems to ensure compliance with regulatory standards. The goal of an inspection is to identify weaknesses and areas for improvement, and to verify that a company is meeting its responsibility to provide high-quality products. Inspectors will review everything from equipment calibration to employee training, so companies must be meticulous in their preparation. A successful GMP inspection requires a deep understanding of the regulations and guidelines that govern the pharma industry. Companies must be familiar with the current good manufacturing practices, as well as any relevant laws and regulations. They must also have a robust quality management system in place, complete with standard operating procedures, or SOPs, and a rigorous training program for employees. Furthermore, companies must have a thorough understanding of the inspection process itself, including what to expect during an inspection and how to respond to any findings. The most critical takeaway is understanding how to prepare effectively for a GMP inspection, which can make or break your company's compliance status. Preparation is key to a successful inspection, and companies must be proactive in identifying and addressing any weaknesses or gaps in their systems. This includes conducting regular internal audits, providing ongoing training and education to employees, and staying up to date with the latest regulations and guidelines. Preparation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement and refinement. Companies must be willing to adapt to changing regulations and guidelines, and to incorporate new best practices into their operations. By doing so, they can minimize the risk of non-compliance and ensure the safety and efficacy of their products. Effective preparation can also reduce the stress and uncertainty associated with inspections, which allows pharmaceutical companies to focus on what they do best, developing life-changing products for patients and consumers. Ultimately, the goal of GMP inspections is to ensure the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products, and to protect public health. By understanding the importance of GMP compliance and how to prepare for inspections, pharmaceutical companies can reduce the risk of non-compliance. Pharmaceutical company can then focus on their core mission, improving patient outcomes and advancing human health. To sum up, adhering to GMP standards not only protects public health but also secures your business's future in the pharma industry. If you found this information helpful, check out our next video on the top 5 mistakes to avoid during a GMP inspection, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Enjoyed the video? Please like, subscribe, and share. We'd really appreciate hearing your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Thank you.